Now, wetin I no go do? As Madam Patapata for inside World Trade Organization, Dr. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala don't come out now take draw her ear say, Nigeria people shine your eye, open your eye, be aware. Say e get one AI remix video where they use her voice, they use her face, they talk like say na Nollywood film. Inside that video, e dey claim say na she gangan dey promote one investment platform where government give carry go. Say e can do magic and turn your 380,000 naira into 2.6 million naira in 1 week. No stress, no skills, just vibes. Now, Madam Okonjo-Iweala come and enter official SR account now to go and shout there. Say that AI manipulated video is not her, it's fake, it's scamara. She did not have hand inside. And say right now, authorities are even on the matter. In short, in Abia, now all this busy. Now they do yahoo. That video where does spread everywhere is making big promises. Telling people say they can secure and grow their weight sharp. You know now, that type of say you press button today, you buy island tomorrow.